voters will be factoring in what all the political parties there have to offer. Let's in a minute talk about as far as we are just counting down to the minutes to the Delhi elections, and mock poll that seems to be underway there. Voting that begins at 7 a.m. and mock polling that is now taking place. This is an exercise usually undertaken just before the election process to ensure that everything seems to be working and there is smooth functioning of the election process. Of course, it's going to be a long day, especially when it comes to the officials there, the personnel from the Election Commission. And this is as far as even when it comes to the Election Commission of India has been at the receiving end of the political parties. When it comes to all of those allegations, Sabyasachi, that have also been raised at the Election Commission of India as well. Because we have seen time and again political parties going to the Election Commission, going to the gates of the Election Commission with their issues. However, this big responsibility is that also of the Election Commission to ensure that there is smooth functioning of the election process today.
Well, that's right. See, whether it is the Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress, both of them have knocked on the doors of the EC. Now, both the political parties have leveled allegation against the EC, stating that the EC is working on behalf of the BJP, that it is turning into a mute spectator, and that to a department of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Now, all these allegations that has been leveled against the EC has been turned down by the Election Commission. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal had put out several posts in social media X countering Election Commission. They have been saying that how the Aam Aadmi Party workers are continuously being targeted here in the national capital, and through social media is trying to reach to the EC. Now, yesterday also we had seen that the Aam Aadmi Party leaders had barged into the Election Commission to submit their problem. Meanwhile, the Election Commission time and again have been stating to all the political parties that the transparency is being maintained and all the issues that are being raised by different political parties are also being taken care of. So there is nothing to put accusation on the Election Commission, but clearly the war of words is not turning down. Yesterday also we had seen that in the last few hours of the voting, we had seen that how several leaders like Sanjay Singh and other leaders went to the Election Commission to submit their complaints. So clearly the war of words is continuously taking place, where the allegation against
so it's a story of